Wow. Both Kansas City Exchange have just listed Tectonic token. Well, I still believe we are not yet really sure if this is going to really last for a very long time, because remember earlier Hotbit, actually we are seeing Hotbit and you can actually buy Tectonic token on Hotbit, but right now even if you check coin market cap, you might not be seeing Hotbit anymore. But I think something needs to be done. I believe they are still working some things. I believe Hotbit will still come out to fully list Tectonic token. But for Kansas City Exchange, you can actually purchase Tectonic token under the platform. And remember this thing, even though they are very small exchange, but I still believe them coming in having interest on Tectonic token will definitely add an impact to Tectonic token. Remember that this exchange are the first listed Tectonic token, the first community owned DEX in DeFi. Okay, and I believe their projects that now, when I visited their sites, covered even in a day now, they control almost $100,000 trading volume in a single day. And I think they are coming up. They are just new exchanges that are trying to come up, but I believe they can still add an impact. You can see just within the past few hours, which they actually added this, you can see they are now controlling about 0.8% of Tectonic trading volume. That's about almost $500 have been traded within 3 hours. This was actually added, and I believe with time they are definitely going to really add help the Tonic token to really increase in price. Of course, they now have almost 7,000 Twitter followers. I believe they are growing, but with that impact, I think that is going to help the Tonic token, because it is better for people to check and see that okay, there are so many exchanges that have listed this coin. That will give people more belief that yes, the developers know what they are doing. They will believe on the coin, and that is why it is important to have many exchanges that must have listed a particular coin. So I believe with VVS Finance, with Crypto.com, with Kansas City, I believe Hotbit 2 might be coming fully, and then we believe this 4 can really do something better for Tectonic token. I also believe Bitkex Exchange will soon list Tectonic token, including Get.io and Kucoin. Tectonic token definitely very soon is going to gain a massive listing, which is going to help Tectonic token to really increase in price. But it's a good one to see board Kansas City Exchange having interest on Tectonic token. Definitely, it might not really push Tectonic token, but that is going to add an impact now or later for Tectonic token. Once again, remember this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before investing in any crypto coin we normally talk here on our channel, and please kindly subscribe in order not to miss our next video.